Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday. It's September 17th, 9:19 a.m. Markets are about to open in 10 minutes. We got HLBZ popping up with news partnership with Fox Network. It's a low float stock. I see 3 million. Doesn't say on trade ideas, but if you look up at that daily chart, big area is going to be 15. If it can get over 15, it's got a lot of room it can run. So we'll keep this on watch. Let's pull up CNBC. Looks like at the moment, futures are about level. They're red right now, but level going into the open. Top headlines: stock futures fall slightly as investors brace for more volatility this September. Well, that's cool. We could use more volatility. That's not a bad thing. As traders, we need volatility. HLBZ. Yeah, I think a lot of people a lot of people are going to flock over to this cuz this morning nothing was really on the scanners that was really catching my attention. CRVS. This is going to have a lot of resistance up at 450s. So that's just about gone. SURF, no volume, ABCL. This has to break back up over 24 for volume to get interested back into it. But we can also keep eyes on all the stocks that popped off this past week. See how those set up. HLBZ, I mean, come on, man. Don't do all your running right before the open, man. Up 90%, $8 a share. Thanks for subscribing on YouTube, you guys. Yeah, HLBZ, this is going to have to pull back a lot out of the open, guys. There's no way you can really chase this. It's up almost $10 a share. I don't really like it when stocks run like this right into the open. So it's Friday, guys. What's our goal and objective on Fridays? Get in, get that money, and get out. I got multiple things going on. I'm trying to multitask right now. And I gotta get out of this, go into here. I may trade, I may not trade, guys. I really don't know. If something comes along and it's easy money opportunity, I'll take advantage of it. But for the most part, I'm up good on the week. I think I'm up like almost $4,000 on the week. I mean, I'm satisfied with that, to be honest. So if something comes along, great. We'll take advantage of it. Other than that, Fridays, we all know Fridays are the hardest day to trade. Everybody's been getting their butt handed to them in September. We've been doing good by playing it smart. We've been very conservative, protective, in defensive mode. Over here dropping stuff. Yeah, so all the attention is going to be on HLBZ going into the open. I'm not even going to pay attention to it. It needs a big, 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 big pullback. Man, I just got trying to multitask. I got like 5 different people messaging me. They want to sign up all at the last second and demanding access to the Discord. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, he mentioned that, Frank. It's all good. Now I gotta switch over my trade ideas. Alright, let's see what pops up today. All the stocks that were popping off this past week, guys, you should automatically have on watch. It's Friday, nothing new. No, on Fridays, companies don't really put press releases out. So this is surprising that HLBZ is coming out with this press release. Normally, companies would wait till Monday to put this type of stuff out, but this is the only thing going on right now. So everybody's going to gravitate to this. It's up way too much. So don't even think about chasing it out of the open. It's just not worth it, guys. It's not. From $18 right here, this could slam down to 13. Oh yeah, and the SPY has been trading in a range. Scroll out on this. The last few days, you could see it clear as day. $449. down here at 444 pretty much. Just back and forth, consolidating, resting before it makes its next move. We don't know which way it's going to want to go. So until then, it's in a range, just resting. Hopefully it continues to keep pushing back up. If it goes down, that's not going to be a good. It's going to lead to a lot of panic. All right, markets are open, guys. Let's see what opportunity sets up for us today. All eyes are on HLBZ going into the open, but we're smart, guys. We're not buying into this right when that bell rings. We're not idiots. Sure, this can run up and blow over 20, but like we've said, look back yesterday on what was it? IRNT, I think it was. The $2, $3 death candles it was having out of the open. You don't want to be caught in that. See, look at that. Perks right up to 19, and they slam it to 16, and it's halted. Boom. Just like that. You're down $3 a share, and you're caught in a halt. Not worth it. IHPA, this could perk up over 8 and start running. Don't forget about ARQQ that ran yesterday too. ARQQ can pop up to 18. If ARQQ breaks over 18, that can skip to 20. This one right here. With these types of stocks, though, you got to be real good with timing. You got to wait for that perfect moment for momentum to shift into it. Because if you just jump into something and just wait, you could easily get in a flush on this thing. You don't want to be in on this when it flushes. IH or IPHA. Yep. There's that break. $8.50, $9 this could push up to. Could really start running. still want to give it time and let it set up. TMC. TMC has to break up over 1250. All the attention's over on IPHA right now. Look at that thing skip. Oh, and DATS. If DATS breaks over 850, it's gone. It's at new highs over 850 DATS. IP. I keep wanting to say like IPIH, or that's an odd name, IPHA. All the attention right now is on that name, IPHA. DATS 850 is a big resistance. If it can hold up here, it can push up off that. $9, $10. It's at new highs. People like stocks at new highs. ARQQ. Over 18. This could skip up to 20. Gotta break over that previous day's close. No volume's coming into it right now. Wow, IPHA. What a ramp. Halted. Oh, look, they brought it back. Trading halted on Street Smart Edge. ARQQ, if it rips up over 18, it's going to skip to $19, $20. There's not much volume on this name, though. So there's going to be a spread between the bid and the ask. DATS 850 looks good. This can skip up to $9. 870s. That's a good move from 830 to 870. 875. Now it can start skipping. 885. $880. Oh man, HLBZ, nice comeback. So we got IPHA running up, hitting all-time new highs. DATS running up and hitting all-time new highs. HLBZ running up and hitting all-time new highs. So 3 different stocks having nice runs so far. ARQQ is just still sitting just below that 18, the previous day's close. This may get one quick pop on it. I can see it popping 19. Maybe it'll touch 20. HLBZ, nice. All the way back up from 15 up to 19. I don't know why my scanners ain't going off. We've had some really good supernova runners this week, so HLBZ up over 20. That's when it could really start skipping. DATS up over that $9. So far, guys, everything's been running, pulling back, and continuing to push. Everything. DATS is trending up nicely. There's that break over $10, IPHA. Look at that. Just skips up to 1050. So from this morning, 15 minutes now the market's been open. This is run up $3 a share. Make that $4 a share as it hits 11. Good opportunity out here, guys. I guess it got halted. All attention's on IPHA. Now it's finally up there. Solid. No, your guys is you guys are paying attention to the wrong stocks. IRNT and INDP. Those things just ran and were in play the last 2-3 days. They need rest. So it's Friday. Most likely people are not gonna wanna hold into the weekend. So everybody's gonna dump their shares. So if anything, let IRNT and INDP pull back all day today, potentially set up a nice rip Monday. That's what I want to see. All attention's on this name right here, IPHA. DATS, I mean, this thing could keep pushing too. As long as it keeps holding over 850, that's your area. 850. Next stop for DATS, they're going to try to get it to $10. It holds up. SPY's just been selling off all morning. I have a stock I'm watching the corner of my eye, but I don't want to announce it to you guys because it's so low volume. I don't want you guys fucking it up, to be honest. Because I'm streaming on YouTube and I don't want anybody chasing after what I announce or panicking and doing a market order and just totally screwing it. You guys in the Discord probably have an idea what I'm talking about. But I don't think it's gonna go. Just watching it. HLBZ, this bad boy's gearing up to break up to 20. It rips up over 20, it's gone. Hold on, guys. Nah, I don't think it's gonna go. This was the stock I was talking about right here, ARQQ. But the volume's so light on it. It could easily flush down. Just gotta know how to trade these types of stocks like this. They're tradable. I mean, I can make money consistently with them. But you can't panic. You can't freak out. And that's what new people do with these low volume type of plays. But you could see they were gearing it up right here to break up over that previous day and that $18. It's up to $18.50. Now it's gonna start skipping up. These are the types of plays that I like to look out for. Are plays that it's not overcrowded, you know? To me, this is where the smart money is. Because it's like we all get on the same page and we work together. Now, when you have overcrowdedness on stocks, you have so many different personalities, it's like a tug of war. You don't know which way it wants to go. So ARQQ, really nice, really nice, really nice. There's our 19 bucks. Nice, stress-free, easy, patient play the way I like it. Now, because I had eyes on it way down here and it's working its way up, I don't know why my trade idea scanners aren't working. Trade ideas is fucked up this morning. But look at this thing skip now, guys. Since I was early to the party and it starts perking up, it's going off on everybody's high of day scanners. So they pull it up and they look back yesterday and they say, dang, this thing ran from 15 to 23. Wow. And they chase after it. And look it. As it keeps pushing, that FOMO comes in, fear of missing out. They all want in on it. From 1750, now this is hitting 1950. It's a nice $2 push right here. That's how you do it, guys. ARQQ, I brought it up right when the market opened and told you guys if it pushes over 18, it's going to skip up to 19. I just can't. I got 21 people on Discord watching, 10 people on YouTube. Volume on this wasn't even at 100K. Because look what happens. All it takes is for one person to ruin it for everybody. And they sell. 1950, it flushes down $1 to 1850. We still got HLBZ. This thing could rocket up to 20. From 17 up to 20, that's a $3 run. But it's got to break. It's consolidating right now. We don't know which way it wants to go. Support's at 16. But this could slam down probably $14. DATS. DATS is looking good. If it can hold right here at 885, this area right here, you want this area here to hold. You do not want to see this drop back down to 860s. You want to see that hold right there. From that, it can rip up to $9.50, $10. It's looking bullish. IPHA. That's going to pull all the way back down to about 950. There went DATS. Well, that sucks. I wasn't in on that. ARQQ is still going. I've only traded ARQQ. That's all I've traded. I'm only up just over 400. I'm good with that. I may be done. It's Friday. $17.50, $19.50. So about a $2.50 rip on ARQQ. Wow. DATS is getting its ass handed to it. Because it broke that right here. Everybody sells it and dumps it because it's over. It didn't work out. We got IPHA, ARQQ, HLBZ, all these other stocks in play. Something starts to break, people are just going to dump it and move on to the next stock. GDEV, this thing could start skipping. This can rip up to 15. About 17. Right there. So GDEV, and if you look up, this is a newer IPO. So this as well, it's at all-time new highs. GDEV. Just all depends where they gap it up when they reopen it from the halt. Because if it gaps up and it's way up here at 15, that's too far gone. I had GDEV up on the back burner right here, but I missed it. HLBZ, this thing wouldn't surprise me, guys, if it ripped up to 20. You got CRVS trying to push too. Highest I see CRVS going is 450. That's a pretty sick pullback on IPHA. What did I just say though? It could probably pull back all the way down to about 950. BBIG. Yeah, BBIG has been giving 50-cent scalp or swing opportunities. So every 50 cent. So right now it's at 850. It'll push back up to 9. You're going to want to see this 825 area hold for BBIG. BBIG is an odd mover. It really is. It's a nice and slow mover. because it was in a clear downtrend, and then it was in consolidation phase right here, and it perked up. Now that it perked up right here, it broke that downtrend, right? After resting, now it's pulling back down again to the area just above where it was consolidating, resting again before potentially another push up. See how stocks move in stages like that? So clearly, it's not in a downtrend. It's not. It's in a range right now. This is more of a swing trading type of stock. 100%. HLBZ. There you go. Money. IPHA off that VWAP. This could pop back up to 11. About right there. That's if it pops. I gotta get on Twitter and see if other people are having problems with trade ideas. Ooh, that's nasty on GDEV. No, I'm not seeing anybody complain about it. Must be on my end. HLBZ getting a micro pullback. You're going to want to see 18 hold up. They want that $20. 1850. 1870s. It's struggling. Dale. You gotta react to what you're seeing. That's what separates the wolf from the sheep. Dale out of your position. You're seeing weakness. You don't want to be caught holding the bag. A lot of red on that tape. This thing sure wants to hang around right there. I just keep thinking a big death candle's gonna happen. It's gonna flush all the way down to like 15. Or what they'll do, they'll quickly snap it up, trap chasers, and then slam it down. There's multiple things they can do here, guys. What do you guys think HLBZ is going to do? Is it going to go? Yup. Exactly what I was thinking pretty much. They're going to rip it up, make it look like it's going to go, and then they're going to slam it down. Pay attention to what you're seeing on the tape. If you're picking up weakness on the tape, there's your hints, right? As the saying goes, whatever you naturally want to do the opposite. ARQQ, this is gearing up. Gearing up, next break would be 20. If it breaks 20, this thing's gone. Because now that it's popped up and ran, it's on people's radar. This has to break 20 for volume to come into it. AHPI. That's super, super, super light volume. IPHA. This thing's having a death grind. Let this keep death grinding down. Maybe this will offer a good bounce snap later on. When man, my fan is going on my desktop. When HLBZ was pulling back right here, it looked like it was gearing up to blow up over that 20. I jumped in with 500 shares. But when I was watching the tape and I was telling you guys, bail, 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 I got out. So I jumped in with 500 shares on that, got out $100, $115, but I'd much rather cut it, be safe, protect my profits, than be sorry, and I'm holding on to it as it dips down $1.50. $1.50 with 500 shares, that's $1,500 loss. So far, market's been open 45 minutes, and I'm up $527. That's not bad for a Friday. I'm trading scared. I want to protect my week's work, I'll say. HLBZ, though, it's got a good shot breaking that $20. It's just going to take time. There goes ARQQ. Well, ARQQ, hello you. Nice blow over 20 up to 21. That's why I love these low float stocks, guys. Just the explosiveness of them. Perfect gear up right there at VWAP. Everybody has VWAP on their charts. $19 explodes up to 21, $2 a share. And it's not overcrowded like HLBZ. Yeah, LCID, that's a good move. Yeah, I have to keep hitting mute on my microphone. Having Thinkorswim, Street Smart Edge, Trade Ideas, streaming on Discord, and streaming on YouTube is just way too much. Look at this. Look at my cores. They're all on fire. I think streaming on Streamlabs is a big part of it. Dang, look at 80% of the stocks are red in the market. Alright, you guys on YouTube, I'm going to end it. I'm tired of hearing this fan. Thanks for joining us today. Be safe out there, guys. You guys on Discord, hang tight. We're going to cover a couple lessons today.